Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how to pin a post on Facebook profile. Maybe you want to pin your post into your Facebook profile but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to show you on how you can pin a post on your Facebook profile. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Facebook application and log in with your Facebook account. Once you open it, you'll be directed into this Facebook homepage. What you'll need to do is to tap on this profile icon. And then after you'll be directed into this profile page, scroll down and look for the post you want to pin. For example, you want to pin this one, simply tap on this three dots icon at the upper right corner of the post. And then in here you will see this pin post. Tap on this pin post. As you can see, your post has been pinned. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can pin the post on your Facebook profile, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can pin a post on your Facebook profile, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.